in the wetlands of the tropics. The anaconda, among the largest snakes on Earth, built for ambush. Its world is the flooded forest, rivers, swamps, and seasonal plains.
Here, it's an apex predator, shaping the balance of an entire ecosystem.
But far from the spotlight, the animal can become part of a different economy.
Search teams move after dark, when the wetlands reveal what daytime hides.
There, by the reeds.
In regulated operations, only trained handlers approach, because one mistake can be fatal.
Team 2, hold position.
A giant anaconda is more than length. It's strength, muscle, and instinct.
Easy, steady.
Quiet!
The moment of contact is tense, measured in seconds, and controlled by experience. Handling large wildlife is never a solo act. It's coordination, slow, calm, and precise.
When the animal is secured, the priority is minimizing stress for the snake and the team.
It's placed into reinforced containment, designed to prevent injury and escape. Location and time are recorded, part of a trail that can prove legality or expose the lack of it.
Log it. Time and cords.
In remote regions, transport is often by water, quiet routes through a vast landscape. Keep it steady.
From there, the journey can shift to roads, connecting wilderness to industry.
Watch the bend. Go ahead.
At the facility, the wild world ends, and a controlled system begins.
Biosecurity starts immediately. Protective gear, disinfectant stations, controlled access.
Gloves on. Sanitize.
Temperature management is constant, essential for safety and quality. Holding at 2.
Every shipment is logged. Weight, origin, batch number, creating a chain of traceability.
Inspectors check condition and paperwork, because regulation begins on paper.
Paperwork matches. Next.
Inside, the facility is divided into zones to reduce contamination.
Clean side only.
Tools are sterilized repeatedly. No shortcuts, no guesses. Snake anatomy shapes the workflow. Long muscle groups processed in standardized cuts.
The skin can be valuable, feeding demand in the leather trade. Pattern grade, good.
Quality teams monitor temperature, handling time, and signs of spoilage.
Temp, verified, log it.
Water systems are engineered for sanitation, directing waste away from clean areas.
Airflow and humidity are controlled, reducing the risk of airborne contamination.
Then, a checkpoint most people never consider: metal detection for equipment fragments.
Detector clear.
Vacuum sealing removes oxygen, slowing bacteria and extending shelf life. Seal looks good.
Labels connect each pack to a traceable record.
Lot confirmed.
Blast freezing drops temperature rapidly, preserving condition for shipping.
Rack in. Close.
Deep storage holds inventory in near-suspended time.
Scanning creates accountability, where the system is enforced.
Scan confirmed.
Lab tests look for bacterial contamination, an invisible threat.
Sample logged.
A failed test can stop a batch before it reaches the public. Shipping depends on a strict cold chain, factory to destination.
Docked. Doors opening.
Data loggers record every degree, proof of compliance.
Logger armed.
A seal closes the record, at least in theory.
But the bigger story isn't the factory, it's what the removal means for the wild.
Apex predators stabilize ecosystems, often in ways we don't immediately see. As access expands, pressure on wildlife can increase. Regulated trade relies on permits, quotas, and enforcement. Illegal trade can hide behind legitimate-looking systems until someone looks closely.
Check the seal.
Across these landscapes, patrol teams work to protect habitats and limit exploitation.
Unit 3, status?
Moving.
For consumers, the question becomes not only what it is, but where it came from.
Demand varies. Some buy for tradition, others for novelty.
In cities far away, it can appear on menus, disconnected from the river where it lived.
Service, pick up.
Rarity raises value, and value shapes behavior.
Safety depends on hygiene, handling, and thorough cooking, especially with reptile products.
Poor handling can spread bacteria quickly, from one surface to the next.
This is not something to copy. Wildlife handling requires training and legal oversight.
In the field, even a successful capture leaves a footprint. Stress, disturbance, disruption.
Hold.
The most skilled teams rely on patience, because force creates danger.
And for every animal seen, many more remain hidden, keeping the ecosystem intact.
Industry, however, is built for scale, turning the rare into the repeatable.
The distance between predator and product can be shockingly small.
When demand grows, the risk isn't just to one species, but to a whole food web.
In its world, it is not a monster. It is a guardian of balance.
But behind closed doors, nature becomes inventory.
This story forces one question. What should our relationship with the wild be? Transparency and enforcement protect both people and ecosystems.
Traceable systems, when real, make abuse harder to hide.
And conservation protects more than wildlife. It protects water, forests, and communities.
Because once an ecosystem tips, recovery can take generations.
The rainforest remembers everything, every loss, and every return.
For more documentary stories on wildlife and human impact, subscribe.